Circumference is the line made by the outer edge of a circular object. First of all, we're going to draw a circle with our compass. Okay, and to find the circumference, the circumference is the actual shape that the circle makes around its outer edge, or as some people have called it, the perimeter, the outer edge of the circle. Yeah. Okay, what we're going to do today is find out the circumference of different objects, from small objects right through to a bicycle wheel. What that is, gives us an idea of how many, the revolution the circle takes, and the distance, how far it would travel along the ground. Okay. So again, why would we want to know the outer edge of the circle, the circumference or the perimeter? Why do we need to know it? Well, if you look back in history, the Egyptians who were making pyramids and on big blocks of stone, they needed to know how many revolutions the logs underneath the stones would take, and how long it would take them to be able to pull these objects to their locations. So what we've done is took a CD, glued it together, and normally CD measures centimetres across, going right through the centre, 12 centimetres in diameter. So we're going to place the arrow on the 0 mark of the tape measure, and very carefully, using a straight line, just roll the CD from the 0, and we'll see how far it travels. And we get 37.5 centimetres. We'll try that one more time just to see if we can get it exact. .5. So it might be a millimetre out, but again, these are just approximations. We're not using pi at this stage. Pi is where you're using pure maths to calculate the actual circumference of a circular object. Now we're going to do the wheel. So this is a wheel without a tyre. Okay, practically useless if you were trying to ride it along the road. You'd be skidding and sliding everywhere. But what we're going to do, with our sort of question mark, we're going to put it on the 0, and we're just going to roll it along to get the full revolution. Okay, using this tape measure line to keep it as accurate as we can do. And exactly where the line stops, we can look at that as 198 centimetres, or just under 78 inches as an imperial measurement. So we'll see the difference now with just the difference between the metal rim and the tyre, to give you an idea that if you were riding a bicycle, different size wheels, so a mountain bike wheel which is 26 inches in diameter, sorry, and a racing bike wheel has different characteristics. You're going to be able to ride a lot further for each wheel revolution. So we'll put another question mark on our tyre. So our first wheel Z, wheel 1. Without tyre was 198 centimetres circumference. And wheel 2, we'll check now, we'll see what this is. Starting on the 0 line, and again keeping the wheel as parallel to the tape measure as you can. Just carefully roll it. I would say that's 216.5. 216.5. $216.5, which is, what's that, 18.5 centimetres. Bigger. Thank you. Right, we could look at other objects. So I'll just write something on that.